myself Premohan Pillai. I would like to show you something my PC is suffering with. Now you can see I'm just pressing enter for start Windows normally, but my PC is not booting. After this Microsoft Corporation logo, it will boot up in a black screen. I will show you how to solve this problem. This is the final one, and then it will restart again and again. For solving this problem, first you must have a Windows 7 CD. Put that CD, it must be a bootable CD, and then put that CD on the CD drive. I'm putting this CD on this drive. Bootloader config. Now you can see the Windows 7 logo, and press next, and you must repair your Windows. And then continue. You can see Windows is loading files and it will take some time. Now you can see starting Windows. Press next. Click on repair your Windows computer. Now you can see Windows 7 Ultimate. It is in the local disk C. Next, it is repairing the Windows. You can see successful. Windows will start correctly. If it is not successful, you must do the start of repair. This time don't press any keys, otherwise it will go to the CD. Now you can see it is going to the C drive where the Windows is installed in the hard disk. Now you can see the repair is done, and now it is showing Alt Control Delete.